Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Knife Chats with Tobias. Hi everybody. Got a bit of an unboxing to do for you here. And this is one of those situations where I wish I would have actually done a live unboxing, you know, pull the knife out of the box. You hear my immediate reaction of it and everything else. Unfortunately, it didn't happen that way because, well, I was just really just interested in getting the box open because it is a package that I ordered on eBay, bought it probably 2.5 weeks ago. And it's just been bouncing around in the U.S. Postal Service, and I've been waiting for it to show up. And then today, while I was at work, I got a notice on eBay, out for delivery. And it's like, finally, that thing is going to show up today. Well, when I got home, there were 2 boxes waiting. There was this box and this package. It's like, wait a minute, I only got one notification from eBay. And I looked on eBay, and this package was listed as out for delivery and delivered. At least I believe it was this one, unless there's 2 packages that were totally kind of like mystery boxes. When I looked at the cover of this one, it had my address on it, but it didn't have any other address on it. And I was like, I wonder what this is. Maybe this is the other one, and, you know, it finally arrived, and, you know, post office doesn't even realize it's shown up yet. So I went ahead and opened it because it was the smaller of the boxes, and I was looking for something small. And I opened it up, and, well, there was a case knife in there. It's like, I didn't order a case knife. I ordered an old colonial knife. Why am I getting a case knife? And it's like, maybe he put it in the case box. Well, it was a case knife in the box. And I pulled out the knife, and lo and behold, it was the Gumfuddy Trapper, or the black synthetic trapper, 4 1/8 inch case trapper. And I looked at the box, and it's like, yeah, that's exactly what it says. Black synthetic rough jig trapper, you know, born date 6/5/24. It's like, I did not order one of these. Where did this come from? Looked in the box, there was no note or anything. And it's like, somebody must have given me a trapper. I have no idea who. Did not come from, you know, my old fan Dan from Tennessee. You know, everyone knows who that is. Dandridge, Tennessee, you know, SMKW. It's not from them. It wasn't bought there. It wasn't shipped from there. So it wasn't like somebody there sending me a knife or anything. So I'm assuming it was somebody out on the channel who decided to send me a trapper. I don't know if they were doing it as a joke or what, but if you've ever watched the channel, I don't know how many times I've said, I'm never going to buy a case trapper, and if you're going to buy one for me, get one that's in stag. That's always been a joke, but apparently someone said, what the heck, I'm going to send him a trapper. And so now I got a trapper. I got a genuine case trapper, made in USA case trapper. I don't know who you are. I don't know where it came from. I was thinking, well, maybe I can take a look at the postal mark and kind of get it down to a city or state, and from there I might be able to figure out who sent it to me. And then I started thinking, you know what? If they wanted me to know who sent it, they would have put a message or something in the box. That's what I was thinking. So somebody sent this and they wanted it to be anonymous. And I'm just going to leave it at that and just say thank you very much. And yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm actually thrilled that I do have a case USA 4 1/8 inch standard trapper in the collection now. And I'm not going to be throwing it into a giveaway or anything like that. This is a knife that is going to be staying in the collection. This is going to be my standard trapper to represent all the other case trappers in, out there within my collection. I didn't have one. Now I do have one. I know several people who have said you do need to have a case trapper if you're going to have a collection of case knives. And so maybe one of those folks sent this to me. I really don't know. I'm sure it wasn't a member of my family or something like that. I have no idea. But whoever did it, I really am thrilled to have it. It's pretty cool. And, I will do a more thorough review of the knife in the near future. But right now, I just wanted to come online and say thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I now can actually say I have a case trapper in my collection. Yeah, I'm still an anything but a trapper person, but I've made so many explanations of what I mean by that in the past. It isn't that I'm against the pattern or anything. It's just the way the pattern is pushed around and everything. But I'm really thrilled. This is pretty cool. So I've got the Gum Fuddy Standard Trapper by Case, which is pretty cool. I want to say thank you to whoever sent it to me. I really do appreciate it, and I'm thrilled that it is in the collection. It is going to remain in the collection. It's not going to be part of a giveaway or anything like that. In any case, with that said, I will let you guys go. Wow, I got me a case trapper. Thanks, whoever you were. Let me take just a second to thank you once again for dropping by and spending a few minutes here at Knife Chats with Tobias. I really do appreciate it, and I do appreciate any comments that you leave. So please remember to give me that thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you'll know when the next episode is up and running. Thanks again for dropping by. Really do appreciate your time here.